Okay, so now we have our inner edge loop, which we created earlier. And the point is that we first created this hole, but we want to make a face in the middle. So we fill it up by selecting the edge loop in the middle and then press F. But what we want to do is divide this face into several small faces, which unfortunately we cannot do by just pressing subdivide right here. We've already pointed this out, and unfortunately this does not work. What we need now is we need the so-called triangulation. And we'll get to that by pressing A first. We select all the vertices, then press Shift-Control-T on our keyboard, and Shift-Control-T gives us just this geometry here that we can work with very, very well. What we can do now is actually create geometry through subdividing. Of course, we will now see that the resolution here will be extremely high at the edge and less high towards the middle. Balancing it out is easy though. We just choose in the middle, and if we now have roughly the same scale of all of these faces, then we press subdivide and then we select another one, etc, and so on. We don't have to do it too badly because the hole we want to make is in the middle here. However, we can continue to subdivide in the middle because that is the faces we will actually be working with. That means I'm still on the bevel tool right now, and it is very important that you press W again to select the selection tool. I now make a selection from all the faces in the middle. Keep pressing subdivide a few more times so we have enough geometry to work with here.